Exercise 3.1, question number 2. First question, let I equal to integration of tan square x dx. Here we can write down this like this, sec square x minus 1 into dx. Why? Because we know the formula 1 plus tan square x is a sec square x. Okay, so this becomes integration of sec square x dx minus integration of dx. Therefore I becomes tan x minus x plus c. This is the answer for first question. Now for second, let I equal to integration of sin 2x upon cos x dx. We know the formula for sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x upon cos x dx. Cos cancel, so this becomes 2 integration of sin x dx. Integration of sin x is minus cos x, so answer become minus 2 cos x plus c. Now next, third, let I equal to integration of sin x upon cos square x dx. Here I can write down this like this, sin x upon cos x into cos x dx. So this can write, we can write down 1 upon cos x into sin x upon cos x dx. So this becomes integration of sec x into tan x dx. Therefore integration of sec x tan x is what? Simply sec x plus c. This is the answer. Now fourth one, let I equal to integration of cos 2x upon sin square x. Here we can solve this by two ways. Either we can use formula for cos 2x is just 1 minus 2 sin square x, or you can use cos square x minus sin square x. Both way answer will be the same. Now I will use first formula. You can try it out and send it into a comment. Okay, now cos 2x is simply 1 minus 2 sin square x upon sin square x dx. So this becomes 1 upon sin square x minus 2 sin square x upon sin square x dx. So sin square x cancel. 1 upon sin becomes cosec square x dx minus this 2 integration of dx. This becomes minus cot x minus 2x plus c. Differential of cot x is minus cosec square x. So therefore integration of cosec square x is cot x. This is the answer. Now fifth one, let I equal to integration of cos 2x upon sin square x into cos square x dx. Here we use the formula of cos 2x is a cos square x minus sin square x upon sin square x into cos square x dx. So this becomes integration of cos square x upon sin square x into cos square x minus sin square x upon sin square x into cos square x dx. This cos square get cancels. This sin square get cancelled. So what remains? 1 upon sine square x minus 1 upon cos square x dx. So 1 upon sine square x becomes cosec square x minus 1 upon cos square becomes sec square x dx. So this is integration of cosec square dx minus integration of sec square dx. So integration of cosec square x is a minus cot x and sec square x is a tan x plus c. This is your answer. Now next one, sixth one. Let I equal to integration of sin x upon 1 plus sin x dx. We will rationalize this term sin x upon 1 plus sin x. What is meant by rationalization? Take 1 minus sin x upon 1 minus sin x and multiply and divide it by main terms. So see, always take opposite sign of denominator and multiply and divide with the original terms. So this become integration of when sin x gets multiplied, this becomes sin x minus sin square x. Here 1 plus a plus b, a minus b formula. This becomes a square minus b square. So this becomes 1 minus sin square x dx. So this becomes sin x minus sin square x upon cos square x dx. So I can write down this like this. Here sin x upon cos square x, I will write down like cos x into cos x. Okay, minus sin square x upon cos square x into dx. So this becomes 1 upon cos is a sec x into tan x minus this becomes tan square x into dx. But see, this becomes sec x into tan x, and this is the same as this one. We will write down tan square x is a sec square x minus 1 into dx. Why? The 1 plus tan square x is a sec square x. Okay, now see, here it becomes sec x into tan x dx minus integration of sec square x dx. This minus minus becomes plus integration of dx. This becomes, therefore integration becomes sec x minus tan x plus x plus c. This is sixth one. Now seventh. Let I equal to integration of tan x upon sec x plus tan x dx. Okay, so again we have to rationalize it. This becomes integration of tan x upon sec x plus tan x into sec x minus tan x upon sec x minus tan x dx. After multiplying, it becomes tan x into sec x minus tan square x upon a plus b, a minus b. It becomes sec square x minus tan square x dx. Okay, so this becomes again tan x into sec x minus tan square x upon, this becomes 1. Why becomes 1? Because 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. When this tan gets shifted to that side, that big plus become minus, and so sec square x minus tan square x is a 1. Therefore, we can write down this like this: tan x into sec x dx minus integration of tan square x dx. Therefore, integration becomes, this is the integration of sec x minus, sorry, again here we have to use the method we used here, again use that formula, and then it will get simplified. Okay, so here we can write down integration of tan x into sec x dx minus tan square x is simply sec square x minus 1 dx. So this becomes tan x into sec x dx minus integration of sec square x dx plus integration of dx. Therefore, I becomes, this is the formula for sec x minus tan x plus 1. This is the answer. Now, eighth one. Let I equal to integration of square root of 1 plus sine 2x dx. Here for 1 we will use simply sine square x into plus cos square x, and for this we will use the formula 2 sine x into cos x. Therefore, this becomes integration of square root of sine square x plus cos square x plus 2 sine x into cos x dx. Therefore, this becomes integration of sine x plus cos x whole square dx. So this becomes integration of sine x plus cos x dx. So this become integration of sin x dx plus integration of cos x dx. So integration of sin x is simply minus cos x plus integration of cos x is sin x plus c. This is the answer for eighth one. Now for ninth. Let I equal to integration of square root of 1 minus cos 2x dx. 1 minus cos theta is simply 2 sine square x dx. So this becomes integration of square root of 2 into square root of sine square x dx. So this square root of 2 outside. Now integration of square and square root get cancelled, so this becomes sin x dx. Integration of sin x is a minus cos x. So the answer becomes I equal to minus root 2 cos x plus c. Now next one, let I equal to integration of sine 4x into cos 3x dx. Multiply and divide by 2, it becomes 2 sine 4x into cos 3x dx. 2 sine a cos b. Formula for 2 sine a cos b is sine 4x plus 3x plus sine 4x minus 3x dx. Which formula we used here? 2 sine a into cos b is simply 2, sorry, not 2, simply sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. This is the formula. Okay, now this becomes 1 by 2 integration of sine 7x. 4x plus 3x is a 7x dx, plus again this 1 by 2 is multiplied with this integration of sin x dx. So integration of sine, differential of sine is cos, so this become minus cos 7x divided by d dx of 7x. This here are two functions, this trigonometric and this algebraic function. So take the integration of first function and divide with the differentiation of another function, plus 1 by 2 into this becomes minus cos x dx. This becomes 1 by 2 into minus cos 7x by 7 plus 1 by 2. Here is not the dx, here it should be a plus, into minus cos x plus c. Therefore final answer is minus cos 7x upon 14 minus cos x by 2 plus c. This is the end of question 2.